Welcome, C-suite executives, multinational corporate directors, and startup leaders. I am so glad you're here for this explainer, because today we're zeroing in on the absolute cornerstone of your corporate defense, the Information and Cybersecurity Policy. Look, in today's hyper-connected, high-stakes business landscape, corporate compliance, it's not just a regulatory checkbox anymore. It is, quite literally, a matter of survival. I mean, the stakes have just never been higher. A single overlooked vulnerability in your governance documentation can absolutely unravel years of hard work, compromise your data privacy, and completely shatter your market reputation. So we are going to break down exactly where the foundational cracks usually form in most organizations, and more importantly, how you can permanently secure your framework.
Okay, let's dive into this, because there is a massive, glaring blind spot sitting right in the middle of your organization. And it's the kind of thing that should be keeping every single executive awake at night. Think about it. You have this overarching policy. It brilliantly declares management's absolute commitment to cyber threat protection. It looks incredibly impressive sitting there in a secure directory. But what's the actual reality on the ground? Are your employees genuinely internalizing it? Are they just furiously scrolling to the bottom of the page and blindly hitting accept so they can finally get their login credentials and check their email? You know exactly what I mean. This massive disconnect between paper compliance and actual human behavior, that is the exact vulnerability that brings entire empires to their knees during an audit. I really want you to picture this. A dense, text-heavy, 40-page document. It's just crammed with convoluted legal jargon and complex operational directives. We call this the hidden compliance time bomb. And its core triggers? Legibility and usability. Right? When new staff members join your organization, they get handed this absolute labyrinth of text during onboarding. They're already overwhelmed, and they simply cannot navigate it. So what happens? They mindlessly click accept without internalizing or frankly even understanding a single word of your cybersecurity requirements. Your document might be legally bulletproof, sure, but functionally, it's completely invisible to the very people who need it most. Which leads us directly to a fascinating yet dangerous phenomenon we call the onboarding illusion. Listen, a 40-page document locked away in some forgotten HR portal provides absolute zero defense when an actual live data privacy threat strikes your network. You might have an overarching policy that beautifully declares management's commitment to protecting the organization, but if it exists purely on paper, it generates literally zero actual cyber threat awareness on the front lines. The illusion is that your board thinks you are fully protected. The scary reality? Your staff are operating completely in the dark, walking around as unintentional liabilities. And here is where the tension dramatically escalates. Picture this scenario for a second. It's audit day. The auditor sits down, goes out onto the production floor, and starts interviewing your employees. They ask really basic, fundamental questions about your cybersecurity requirements. And the employees draw a complete blank. Nothing. They demonstrate absolutely zero awareness. Because of that usability failure we just talked about, the auditor issues a catastrophic major non-conformance. Now let's be clear, this is not just a minor administrative hiccup. A major non-conformance effectively stops your certification dead in its tracks. It signals to your board and your clients that your security governance is fundamentally broken. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how this single usability failure creates a completely cascading domino effect of destruction. When employees blindly accept unreadable documents, you don't just fail one little check. No, you trigger a massive interconnected violation across your most critical frameworks. Under the policy clause, you fail outright due to zero employee awareness. And that immediately drags down the information security objectives clause, because suddenly there is completely failed alignment between what management wants and what staff are actually doing. But wait, it gets worse. Furthermore, the policies for information security control is breached because its vital communication guidance was completely ignored in the design of the document itself. It is literally a domino effect of catastrophic compliance failure. So why does this happen so frequently? Well, it's because far too many organizations are relying on internal documents built upon obsolete, superseded standards of a bygone era. They're dusting off these recycled templates that completely fail to engage a modern workforce. Honestly, to survive and thrive today, you must contrast that disastrous approach. You must adopt the latest version of the standard which withstands the test of current times and the latest evolved learning curves. You need documentation that isn't just legally compliant, but is fundamentally, intentionally designed for actual human legibility and immediate operational understanding. And this brilliantly illustrates the way out. Because you do not need to reinvent the wheel here, and you certainly cannot risk a major non-conformance while your internal teams struggle for months to draft a readable, compliant policy from scratch.
Enter the elite battle-hardened solution, the ready-made template provided by the ISO 27001 Institute. This breaks the tension completely. It replaces the agonizing anxiety of the unknown with the absolute certainty of a proven, universally respected framework. I want you to really consider the immense pedigree behind the solution. This isn't just another generic document downloaded off the web. It is a meticulously crafted masterwork designed by an elite committee. Think of them as your own personal elite strike team. We are talking about top-tier information security experts, incredibly stringent principal auditors who know exactly where companies fail, and lead instructors who understand exactly how to format compliance for human consumption. They have already done all the heavy lifting for you. They've perfectly navigated the complex matrix of the policy clause and the information security objectives clause so that you and your executive team simply don't have to. 108. I want that number to really sink in for a second. This represents the 108 pages of comprehensive, battle-hardened mastery contained within the Information and Cybersecurity Policy template. Now, unlike the unreadable 40-page labyrinth we discussed earlier, this masterpiece covers every single base, from high-level management commitments all the way down to the granular communication guidance required by the policies for information security control. And it does it in a way that is actually legible. It ensures that your compliance is no longer an illusion, but a deeply rooted 108-page fortress that completely mitigates the risks of legibility and usability failure. So, the crucial point is, what does this actually deliver to your organization's bottom line? Well, by implementing the robust contents of this beautifully crafted document, you aren't just barely passing an audit. No. You are giving your organization a staggering 15 to 20-year head start in ISMS maturity. Think about that. 2 whole decades of trial, error, audit failures, and constant security iterations have been condensed into a single, deployable masterpiece that instantly elevates your corporate governance to world-class standards. Let's move to and see how this builds into real-world application. Because best of all, the execution for your team is incredibly frictionless. It is just 3 shockingly rapid steps. Step 1, acquire the template. Step 2, customize it in a couple of minutes by simply swapping in your organization's logo and company acronyms. Step 3, deploy for instant maturity. That's it. It is immediately ready to be circulated, read, and genuinely understood by your staff. You permanently eliminate the blind spot of the onboarding illusion and secure your absolute peace of mind. As we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with this final, provocative thought. As leaders of multinational corporations and high-growth startups, your time is undoubtedly your most precious asset, and your security is your most critical mandate. So, are you going to wait until an auditor interviews your staff, discovers zero awareness, and hands you a catastrophic major non-conformance? Or are you going to leverage the latest version of the standard, which withstands the test of current times and the latest evolved learning curves to secure your maturity today? The battle-hardened solution is sitting right in front of you. The time to act on it is right now.